How to use Perspective Grid tool and Perspective Selection tool. Perspective Grid tool is used as a guide for changing the orientation plane of shapes. To use the tool, press Shift+P to select. Grid can be hidden or shown by going to View on your menu bar, or by pressing Shift+Ctrl+I. It has three types of point perspective, which are 1, 2, and 3-point perspective. Draw your preferred shape on the blue side of the grid, then toggle on the orange side of the grid to draw your preferred shape. Perspective Selection tool is used to move or adjust the shape in the perspective grid.